Hi everyone, this is Hannah, and I wanted to show you a Tuesday morning haul, an Amazon haul that I did. I actually did it last week. I'm just now getting around to it today on Friday, but anyway, I wanted to show you some things that I bought and some different ideas that I have for it. So let's go ahead and get started. So I went the first day to Tuesday morning. I bought one of these envelope punch boards. I had been thinking about getting one for a while, and since I am putting together a stationery kit, I thought, why buy my own envelopes? I can make them. So I bought this just to kind of help make it quicker instead of, drawing out the template of the envelope on paper and then cutting it, and I just thought this is easier this way. So it's easier to mass produce these than if I was just gonna make a couple, but I'm making some kits, basically just stationery kits, with some I'm thinking about doing like either tea stained or coffee stained paper, making those into envelopes, and then making, the stationery paper. And so I've really got a neat idea for these, and so this is going to be part of that to help make them envelopes. So I got that, and and really, I mean, it's cheap, $12. It says it's 25, and something like this in the store, if you got it at your craft store, I don't even know if they would let you use your coupon on this or not. They let you use your coupon on different things, but I know some brands, they, they'll exclude for different things. I bought some washi tape. This is so neat looking. I'm going to just kind of tear into it here. So it has this. Please send to, you can do your name. What does that say? Name, street, city. Let me see if I can get into it a little bit better. It's kind of hard to see. Yeah, it's not wanting to do, is it? Okay, there we go. And see, and it's got another little box there. I thought, and then from, I thought that would be so neat. Whether it's part of the stationery kit or part of some junk journal kits that I am in the process of putting together. So I went there the first day, bought 2 rolls, and then I was like, no, I bought 1 roll. I'm not sure. I've got 2. I went 2 days back to back because the things that I was like, well, I don't think I'm going to get those. I don't need those. And then I was kicking myself. So the next day, I'm like, I'm going, and I'm going to just get the rest of what they had. So I ended up buying all of the rolls that they had. So let's see how many rolls I got. 1, 2, 3. That's all that they had, and I'm glad I got them because, a store like Tuesday Mornings, you go in there, and whatever you don't get, it's going to be gone soon. In fact, there were a couple of things that I was going to get, and I didn't get them, and then they were gone. Like some different, it's like some different stamps and things, and I was like, oh man. So, but I got 3 rolls of these, and each roll is 62 feet. So I thought, well, man, that should make for several kits, and the pricing on everything is really good. For the most part, it's really good. So got that. Let's see. I got just a bunch of different stuff. I bought these. These are just some little pocket envelopes. And let me see, how many do you get? I don't even know. Oh, 6. It has 6. And I thought, well, with it being spring and summer, bright colors are so nice. So I may, I think I'm just going to include these in some kits. So that's kind of what that was for. And then I got this. It's just a roller date stamp, and I got it because I like it. You know, I used to have one a long time ago, and you know, I saw it. I said, you know, I'm going to pick that up. It's just a couple bucks. So this will be something really neat to use in, you know, in my projects. So I'm really excited about that. And then I've got these binder clips. These are huge binder clips. And I got them because whenever I make my junk journals, you know, some of them are thicker than others, and I don't really have big clips, you know, to hold the papers. If I can even get it out. Oh, it's tape, that's why. I don't have like really big clips or clamps, you know, to clamp my the papers together while I'm, you know, punching the holes. And so sometimes, you know, you can kind of get off a little bit, and you know, I want my stuff to be really nice, especially for stuff I'm going to sell. So these clips will be perfect. So you can really open them up, you know, like for your super thick, you know, inserts that you're doing. Or so I really like that. So it's got 6 of them. That should be plenty. So super excited about that. Alright. And the box is so cute that it came in. I love this little box. I love the floral. So I'll put this in here for now, but I'll probably definitely be repurposing that box for something else. And then I also picked up some different washi tape. This is American Crafts Beautiful Rose Gold. Rose gold is just one of those colors. It's so gorgeous, and it's really in. I really love it. So I just picked up some things of washi tape, and this was the only one that they had. I wanted to get more. But I do have some other gold tape. I don't think it's rose gold. I think it's just your regular gold color. But I got that. And then this one, they had 2 of these Maggie Holmes washi tape. Love the colors. These colors are gorgeous. Perfect for spring, perfect for summer. It's got all the trendy colors. And so I wanted to go ahead and get these to put in some kits that I'm doing. Alright, so that's it on that. And then the other couple of things that I got at Tuesday morning is some napkins. This would be great for, you know, decoupage, collage, projects. And I bought this. This is beautiful summery colors. So I'm going to be putting a summer themed junk journal together in the near future. I think the next project that I'm going to work on is Mother's Day. It's just around the corner. It's kind of slipping up on me here. But I bought these napkins. These are gorgeous napkins. I just love the colors. You know, whether you are more into kind of the purples or the reds or the peach, yellow, whites, and creams. I mean, this napkin has it all. And it's, I was looking to see, you know, it's a 3-ply napkin, 15, just say 15 by 11. So that's a nice size that you could really use if you were, you know, because it folds out and everything, and then it has the 3 layers. So you could, just one napkin, you can use it, you know, for a couple of different projects at least. So, so I'm definitely working on putting that together. I hope to have the Mother's Day kits up by next week. I'm wanting to get them up and listed before Easter, because Easter's next weekend. I can't believe that. So I got that. So that's it for my Tuesday morning haul, I think. I don't know if I bought anything else. I'm probably already using it. But I think that's it. All right, so Amazon haul. Most of what I bought on Amazon was some other things that I needed. And then some things ended up being a little bit too expensive, so I would rather get it on eBay. Like my score tape, I get that on eBay. I have a seller that I go to, and I really like her. And it's, you know, I can buy a big pack, you know, for, I think I buy like a pack of, I don't know if it's 7 or 10 rolls of score tape for like 25 bucks. That's not bad, because on Amazon, one roll of score tape is like $10. I'm like, I'm not paying $10 for one roll of score tape. So anyway, I bought some seam binding. I thought that I bought white. I haven't checked to see if I made the mistake or the seller made the mistake, and I really don't care. It's a beautiful color. These will go with a lot of kits that I put together. It's the Persian lilac. Beautiful color. It's on the screen it's picking up, I think, more of like a light blue. This is kind of more of a light purple, you know, lilac, light purple. So it's gorgeous. And I'll just keep it. You know, it saves a step of me dyeing my seam binding. As most of you may know, I do make my own, or not make my seam binding, but I dye it. It's just unique colors, you know, that I make with my kits. I try to add as much uniqueness as I can and include different things in with my kits. So this is just, you know, but probably with that lilac, I'll probably turn it into crinkled seam binding. Alright, so another thing that I bought on Amazon was tea bags. Now, I was trying to buy the tea bags that Jennifer bought on A Trace of Sparkle. That's her YouTube channel. But hers were more of the fabric, and I thought that's what I was getting, but it's not. But these are still really neat. These would make some cute little pockets, you know, in your junk journals. And these are just little, it's little thin paper, like parchment paper, real thin. And so what I was thinking of doing is, you know, is like maybe sewing, well, I'd probably have to hand sew it since it's kind of connected together, but, or I could just take some lace and just kind of glue it on here, maybe do some stamping, and then you've got your pocket. You could even tie it up if you wanted to. It's got the little drawstring. So I thought that would be really neat to include some little handmade embellishments with the kits. You know, I can even put some blank ones in there if you want to, you know, take a spin at it. So, but these are the things that I bought. I'm really excited about it. I've been pretty busy the last couple of weeks, so I haven't been able to put a lot of videos up. Just with tax season, it's, you know, getting close to the end of my daughter's school year. And even though she's in kindergarten, it's busy. So, I just finished a basket that I made with the Disney Princess scrapbook and a ton of goodies I put in the basket. And that's and I uploaded that video yesterday. Hold on, buddy. Just uploaded that video yesterday, just kind of doing a flip through and showing you what I did for the school. So I've finished that, and then in a couple of weeks they're having another fundraiser at her school where sellers are buying a booth to you know, to sell stuff. And I did go ahead and purchase the booth, you know, just to help out the school, and I'll be bringing some items. I just ordered Prima Marketing's new summer release. Oh, and I don't even remember what the name of it is. It's beautiful paper, beautiful oranges, which is like really popular color right now. I don't remember what the name of it is. I'll have to look. And I bought new Finnabair I don't even know how to say it, impasto paint. Some of those new colors. I bought some new items, so I should be getting those in next week, which will be plenty enough time for the sale. So I'll be putting some stuff together, some new release stuff, some kits, to sell, and that's going to be on April 25th. So that's going to be really exciting. It's going to be on Thursday night. And I'll include more information as I get it. They're supposed to call me next week and just to confirm everything, give me the info. And as soon as I get that, then I'll, put that on social media in case, anybody local wants to come check it out and support the school, the community. So, but anyway, that is it for now. Hope to be uploading another video shortly of some mixed media Easter cards that I'm working on. So hopefully I can get that done this weekend and get that uploaded. So, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing these products. Hopefully it inspires you to get some of your crafting stuff out and start making things. I love spring and summer. It just really gets me in the mood for crafting with all the bright, fun colors. So, and if you have any questions or comments, please put them below. And again, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.